Hi everybody, it's Jen and I wanted to get in my haul video. This is from the 20% off sale, and it looks like she's got a new color pen. Black is my new favorite. Just a matte black, and these pens are awesome. So if you haven't got a pen, place an order. I got some flowers this time. So these are slowly running out of stock because the manufacturer that made them are they closed down. So once these are gone, they're gone, and they're all very reasonably priced. So look up paper flowers, ASC supplies on Etsy or asccraftsupplies.com, and I'll just give you, I got lots of them. So I wanted to make sure that I got them before they were out of stock, and then I have that woody project from Mente that I want to do. I'll show you that real quick. This one is, the lantern is still in stock as of right now. I wanted to do that on a live video, and I wanted to incorporate some flowers. And it's Halloween is coming up, so I got some orange and some purple, another orange. I really like that. Different sizes. So peach, orange. I love that orange. And purple. And when I placed these orders, I had certain collections in mind, which may also be in the box. So this green, I love that green. I'll be kind of stocking up on flowers until she runs out. And then this light green, and then these little tiny roses. So that's my flowers. And I'm happy I got those while they were still in stock. I'll move those out of the way. I got a couple more pens because it is a large order I placed. This is a new color too. This is like a champagne. I like that one, and I've always liked the orange. So the pens are lovely, lovely, lovely. I take them to work, and everybody loves them. Okay, so I had to get, I take that back. This is not the 20% off. This is the, the Christmas is in stock. So I had to get some Christmas goodies. And the Graphic 45 is not even in stock yet. So there'll be another big haul coming. I also got some foil from the ITD collection. I plan on doing some, maybe just some strip foiling. I have another plan in mind for some what they call peel-offs, because I can't find them online anywhere. Crystal's looking into it to see if she can get them for ASC supplies. But and then I just wanted to get some foil. So she has foil, and you can use this as the heat transfer foil, or you can just use it with tape, with like score tape. Okay, Christmas. So the Stemperia Christmas came in, and that's what I got. We have the two collections. The what I like to call the Candyland collection, but it's called Candy Christmas, and the like woodsy collection with the owls that everybody loves. It's called the Owl's House. So I got those two, and then I got this the refill. I call it the refill pack of the Rainbow Garden Patterns. I made a whole bunch of cards with these. I do believe I've posted the video on that, and I had a whole bunch of die cuts left. The paper die cuts, not the paper cut aparts, not the embossed die cut. So I got the embossed die cuts, and then I got the 12 by 12. So it'll be a little different because it is the 12 by 12. And I'll just show those real quick. So the embossed die cuts are already cut for you. So if you don't want a fussy cut, you want the embossed die cuts, not the cut aparts. But the cut aparts I showed on the video, they were really easy to cut apart. But these also have like a sheen to them, like that nice embossed, there, shine. And they just pop right out, and they have little tabs on them. And you can just take your scissors and cut the tab off, or you can use an X-Acto knife or whatever it is. It's just easy to do a nub, and you just cut that off. So there's the, yeah, the Paper Rose Rainbow Garden, and I hope Crystal continues to get the Paper Rose Studios. They have some magnificent collections coming, and I have a collection that I'm going to be doing some cards with, one of their card collection kits. And then the 12x12, because it is different than the 6x6 I previously showed. And how much fun is this going to be? It's really funny because these gnomes are like the size of the gnomes on the cut apart. So the back has, the back of the front cover has your sentiments on it. And then you have watercolors and larger patterns, and the strip down there has a pattern on it also, so you don't throw anything away. Love these, love these, love these. And I think we're going to start over. Yep, so there is the 12x12, 12 double-sided papers, 2 each. 12 designs. And then the garden patterns, which I hadn't gotten the patterns before. I got the basics. So this is even different, more different. So the basics were like the watercolor and some of the smaller patterns. And I had it in the 6x6. So sentiments on the back of the front cover. Very nice. I do like that because I don't really care for cutting or stopping to stamp sentiments all the time. So we got some gingham-like patterns, we have some wood grains, and then we just got some tone-on-tones, which is nice for the busier patterns. Love the pink wood grain, yellow, purple, love, 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 green, and blue. Okay, so that was a quick look at the garden, Rainbow Garden from Paper Rose Studios. Love Paper Rose Studios. Set that aside and get into the Candy Christmas. Not everybody's cup of tea, not everybody's favorite, but I am loving it. So I have the Maxi pad, which is huge. I love the colors. I think the colors are great. They're going to make a really cute album and or scrapbook journal for little ones. So we'll just flip through. Candy cookies or Christmas cookies. Love the scenery. Pinks, baby blues. Perfect for little ones. Wow. They're all like candy and Christmas cookies. Love the caramel drip here. And this pink with the sprinkles. Love and laughter. Waffle cone. Some cut aparts that I don't mind cutting apart. Journaling cards. Backs of journaling cards. Some 3x4s and 4x6s. Love this blue paper. Oh, we can do a calendar, a countdown calendar. That may be something we want to do. I don't know what happened to my, I think I did get my countdown calendar. And that is the Maxi pad, so you can decide whether you need both or not. This is the Candy Christmas scrapbooking pad, so they may be very similar, but typically there are some differences. So we'll point out the ones that are the same, at least that I remember. This is double-sided. The maxi pad is single-sided. So we have that Christmas cookie. We have the village. I think the background may be a different color. Same. Don't recall that one. This one has a background that's a different color, and I love this dark color. This is a different pattern with the sky and the Christmas cookies. Super cute. And pink with the candy canes. I think that's different. Same. I think that might be the same. There's the waffle cone cut-aparts on pink instead of blue, I think. Journaling cards with the backs attached, and then the 4x6 cards with the backs attached. We have the cut-apart page again, back of the cut-apart page, and then some more cut-aparts. So we got lots of cut-aparts here. Let's see if we have enough paper to use all those cut-aparts. And then I got the maxi pad in the 8x8. And we got the scrapbooking pad in the 8x8 too. So we'll go through it pretty fast. I don't know if it's the same. Looks like the designs are smaller. And so far it is the same designs. Maybe that was in the big one. You'll have to tell me. You'll have to correct me. The scrapbook pad may have nearly everything the maxi pad has. And you don't get a whole lot of choices as far as your cut-aparts go, because there's nothing else. There's nothing on the backs of them. Like the Ciao Bella always has a regular paper on the back of them. Cute, cute. Looks like we're going to be doing some kind of advent calendars. That's what I was trying to think of before. And then we have the 8x8 scrapbooking pad. I think it's the same as the 12x12. But we have all day, so let's keep flipping. You can see the difference in the sizes. Love the balloons. What a cute idea. The pinks and the blues. If I put this album together, I kind of want to do it in pink. If anybody has any objections of an all pink Christmas album, not that I haven't done one in the past, let me know. Lots of cut-aparts. Okay, I love cutting apart. We're all good with that. I got something a little different this time. I got several things that were a little different this time. I got the card collection. So I've never gotten the card collection before. Let's see what's in it. I prefer to make A2 size cards, which is the 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. So I typically stay away from these because they have different sizes in them. But we have some tags that we can always use as gift tags on presents. I typically adopt a family for Christmas, so we can make their presents very, oh look, that's cute, very special with something like this. And I would have preferred they not put their logo on there, and we can use these as journaling tags in our album. So if all else fails, cute. These are perfect journaling tags, which is what I kind of was thinking. That's what I was kind of thinking. I think these are also in the cut-aparts. That's a different one. Okay, so there are the cards collections for the Candy Christmas. I also got the rub-ons. I did not mean to get 2 sheets of the same rub-on, but it's cute. It's got the houses on it. I'm not mad about that. And we can use these for our journaling tags with the ones that don't have the pictures on them. That's what I was thinking anyways. I'm not going to pull out all the die cuts right now. I'll take a picture for you guys and post it online. And the same with the ephemera. But I will point out, look at the shine on that ephemera. It has a sheen to it that I love. Wow, that is so pretty. We'll take a picture of those and post it for you guys. Let's get into the owl's house. I think everybody's excited about the owl's house. Did I tell you it's like haul weekend here, because I've been posting the Curiouser and Curiouser video series for so long that I had bought a whole bunch of stuff and I had not had a chance to upload the videos because I don't like interrupting haul video or tutorials, sequences, series. Okay, so this is the maxi pad, so it's only going to have one-sided, but isn't it pretty? It's kind of it's not photorealistic, but it's very natural, I guess, like as opposed to the Candy Christmas, which is very cartoony. This is very natural. Some of it's photorealistic, very arty, very watercolor. I love this snowflake page. Your cut-aparts, the backs of your cut-aparts. And for these, I don't glue them together. I just make them two cut-aparts. We have tags, backs of tags. So your 4x6 and some cut-aparts for sentiments, and then your photo cut-aparts. And there's that. I always use these strips too. That is the maxi pad. Let's see how different it is from the scrapbooking 12x12. If it's more different than the Candy Christmas or not. Now this is front and back, so you have to choose what side. Of course, on the front side they always have cut-aparts, which I love because you don't waste anything. Love that snowflake paper. It's going to be my favorite. And Santa with the deer is really cute, so I'm not a big fan on this one. This one's cute. You can see, like, get an idea of what side I'm going to use. I love this bookshelf. And the book on it was called The Snow Queen. And one of the books on it. 4x6s and the tags again. And then here's your cut apart. So do you need both paper pads? Probably not, but let's see. I got then the 8x8 maxi pad and scrapbooking pad. I do believe they are the same on these collections, so we'll just put that back. The Ciao Bella ones are different. I think the Stamperia one's leaning towards the same. And then again, die cuts. This is the chipboard die cuts. I will post a picture of those for you. And the ephemera has that same finish on it. Love that finish. I don't know what it is, but everything should have this finish on it. It's got that shiny, and the baby owl is all cozy in his blanket. So I hope you enjoyed that haul. Again, there'll be more haul videos coming. I have the Graphic 45 isn't in the shop yet, but as soon as it's in the shop, it's in my cart. So yeah, we'll see you next time. Head on over to ASC Supplies on Etsy, asccraftsupplies.com. Free shipping on every order. Amazing. And use Scrapping Posh 10 for 10% off. And we'll see you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.